Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight on PC. First, you will need to download the game from a digital storefront such as Steam. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include a 64-bit operating system, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card. Once installed, launch the game and complete the introductory tutorial. This will familiarize you with the basic movement and interaction mechanics before you jump into your first trial. When playing as a survivor, your main objective is to repair 5 generators scattered across the map. Each generator requires 80 seconds of repair time from one person, or less if multiple survivors work together. Once 5 generators are complete, the exit gates will power up. You then need to open an exit gate, which takes 20 seconds, and escape the trial. Remember to cooperate with your 3 teammates and use environmental objects like pallets to your advantage during chases. As the killer, your objective is to prevent the 4 survivors from escaping. You must locate them, injure them twice to put them in the dying state, and then carry them to a sacrificial hook. Each killer possesses a unique power, like the Trapper's bear traps or the Wraith's invisibility, which is crucial for tracking and downing survivors. Successfully hooking survivors 3 times will lead to their sacrifice, securing your victory in the trial. To improve your gameplay, focus on understanding the Blood Web, which is your progression system. Spend blood points earned from trials to unlock new perks, add-ons, and offerings for your characters. Each character has 3 unique perks that can be taught to others. Experiment with various killers and survivors to discover playstyles that suit you best. Learning map layouts and effective looping strategies will significantly boost your chances of success in every trial.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.